All right, welcome back, everybody. A little mix of some rain and snow showers around the area today. Certainly cool and blustery. Very fall-like out there. 47 degrees right now. The wind slowly easing back out of the west at 16 miles per hour. Beautiful clear skies up around the Highwood Mountains in Great Falls. We're at 46 degrees right now with a light west wind of 7 miles per hour. Enjoy it while it lasts, because it will not. Temperatures 30s and 40s here throughout most of the state. The mountains only had highs in the 20s here, about 6,000 feet and above. The wind unusually light for Cut Bank and Great Falls, but the rest of the state still dealing with some wind, but that's going to change as the wind increases here off of the Rocky Mountain front tonight. We're under a high wind warning for the Rocky Mountain front and out through central Montana, down through the Judith Gap area here. Look at that wind tomorrow. Another really brutal windy day for a lot of the state. Helena Valley down through about Townsend. It'll take a little while for that wind to mix down to the surface, but it'll come. And then the wind will shut off. Why? Well, that's because the snow will be moving in here on Saturday. So first, a high wind warning. This goes into effect tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, going all the way through 9 o'clock at night, and then the wind should taper off. And pretty much that same area all the way down through West Yellowstone under a winter storm watch. Here's what I'm thinking: 1 to about 4 inches in the lower elevations here at the plains, prairies, 1 to about 3 inches right along the Rocky Mountain front, 2 to as much as 6 inches of snow. And the mountains, maybe 3 inches out in the big snowies, maybe as much as 10 inches in the higher terrain along the Continental Divide. That's by Saturday into the afternoon. Current wildfires, still a little activity there on the Yogo fire. The snow recently has helped the firefighters get about a 50% containment on that fire. They're just putting out some hot spots right now. Not much in the way of hot spots around Helena as far as showers, and down around Harleton, a couple of mixed rain and snow showers, but a lot of the activity is winding down for the time being. The next storm coming down from the Gulf of Alaska will bring some of that snow. Tonight, skies mainly on the clear side, but clouds will increase tomorrow morning. Look at this, a little snow working its way east out the highlands, part of warm fronts. That's why we'll see that snow going over to some rain. So maybe a little flake, a few flakes of snow around Havre and Glasgow through the morning hours, changing over to some rain. Some showers and thunderstorms popping in the central and western part of the state ahead of this cold front that will be coming through. And look at that, by 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock tomorrow night, a lot of the state transitioning over to snow, and that snow will continue for Friday night into Saturday morning. Saturday, not too bad up the Highline. It will be noticeably colder, though, with some snow and more clouds closer to the Continental Divide. Tomorrow afternoon into northeast Montana, a few inches, and the rest of this will fall Friday night into Saturday. Again, out there around the Little Belts, maybe more than 6 inches of snow. Here's the forecast for tonight. 30s, fairly quiet, still a few hours of some breezy weather for a lot of the locations here. And here's the forecast for tomorrow. Low pressure, the next storm dropping southward into the state. Warm out ahead of the storm. Again, a little mix of rain and snow out the Highline, but going from Friday night into Saturday, there's the snow, maybe not a ton of snow, but certainly much colder. 20s and 30s for highs on Saturday, with snow mainly in the morning hours. Sunday, here comes another round of snow in here, likely developing through the morning into the afternoon, pushing off towards the east. And then by Monday, this boundary, the stationary boundary, will act like a warm front, start to work its way eastward. Look at these temperatures, with maybe a little snow in the morning going over to some rain for places like Great Falls and possibly Lewistown and the Helena area. So back and forth. Sloppy Joe here over the next few days. Some rain showers around Helena late tomorrow afternoon. It goes over to snow Saturday morning. Some snow developing again Sunday by late morning into the afternoon, possibly going over to rain by Monday morning. And we'll have another switcheroo on Wednesday with rain going over to snow. Great Falls, a little colder Saturday and Sunday, highs below the freezing point. We'll have a little snow Friday night into Saturday morning, then again Sunday afternoon into Monday morning before it goes over to rain. So you can see why, back and forth with a lot of fluctuation in the temperatures.
Coming up next on the news at 6,